Welcome back to my class. Today we learn the vowels. There are 4 vowels in Tibetan. In English, you have 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. But in Tibetan, there are only 4 vowels. So we will learn the first vowel. The first vowel is Kiku. Kiku. Kiku works as Kiku works like English vowel E. E. So you know this is ka, right? Ka. And then we add vowel ka, kiku, ki, ka, kiku, ki, ka, kiku, ki, ka, kiku, ki. Similarly, we know this is this letter is ka, ka, kiku, ki, ka, kiku, ki, ka, kiku, ki, ka. The first letter ka, no aspiration, high pitched, ka, kiku, ki, ka, ka, kiku, ki, ki. Ga, kiku, gi. Ga, kiku, gi. Ga, kiku, gi is the word off, O-F, off, or apostrophe S. Dawa's book. Dawa's apostrophe S shows that Dawa, the book belongs to Dawa, right? Dawa's book. Or in Tibetan we say the book of Dawa. A book of Dawa. Book of Dawa. So if you want to say yours, the word you comes first, followed by of. Kerangi. Your book. This is your book. Di kerangi tepre. Di kerangi tepre. Di this. Kerang you. Gi of. Tep book re is. Di kerangi tepre. Di kerangi tepre. Gi. Gakiku gi is the word, the English word of. The book of Dawa. Dawa's book. Then Ngakikungi. Ngakikungi. So Gakikugi is the word, the English word of. So yeah, while you learn how to read, it's good to learn some words at the same time. So you can add this to your card. And if you learn this way, if you are completely new to Tibetan, like if you have the right approach, then One can speak Tibetan in 3 months. In 3 months. I remember a student. Who gave speech in Tibetan after only 3 months. His name is Raffle. I think he came from Europe, not England, not French, maybe Holland, or from somewhere. So he gave speech in Tibetan after 3 months, after learning Tibetan for 3 months. And our president of our institute was surprised to see him speak Tibetan, and he asked, where did he study Tibetan before? And he said, I started everything from your institute, starting from Kaka Ganga. You too can speak Tibetan after 3 months. That is, we were having 3 hours of class a day, 3 hours of class, 5 days a week. On Saturday and Sunday they have holiday. Yes, you have to adopt the right method. Nakikungi. Cha. Chakikuchi. If you are going to study Buddhism, if you are going to study literary Tibetan, then you will see this many times. Chi is in old Tibetan, or in classical Tibetan, Chakikuchi is what? Interrogative word. What? Chi. Cha kiku chi. Cha kiku chi. Cha kiku chi. We know this letter is ja, and if we add vowel kiku on top of it, ja kiku ji. Ja kiku ji. Nya. 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 Nya kiku ni. Nya kiku ni. So nya kiku ni check ma nima. Nya kiku ni dot dash dot. So we have to pronounce them separately. Nya kiku ni ma nima. 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 The sun. Nima. Nima. The sun. Nima. Day. 3 days. 5 days. 1 day. One comes first, day comes after it. Nima chik. Nima ni. Nima sum. Nima shi. Nima nga. Day. And if we say Sanima, it's Sunday. Sanima, Sunday. So Nima means the sun. Nima, day or days, 3 days, 1 day, or Sunday, Sanima. Ni dot, ni ma, nima. Ta kiku ti, ta kiku ti. With those letters in the first column, you should not aspirate. All those letters in the second column should be aspirated. Ka, cha, ta. But with this, ka, cha, ta, ta kiku ti, ta kiku ti, ta kiku ti, da kiku di, da kiku di, na kiku ni. You will hear this many times when Tibetans speak Tibetan. You will also see this in classical Tibetan. Every time you see ni, you can expect explanations for the word coming from in front of it. For example, duk sumni, duk poison, sum 3, ni, then duk sumni, and whatever is going to follow is the explanation for the 3 poisons. Ni. Every time you hear ni, you can expect explanations for the word that came earlier. Ni. Pa kiku pi. Pi. Pa kiku pi. Pa kiku pi. Pa kiku pi. Ba kiku bi. Ba kiku bi. Ma kiku mi. Ma kiku mi. A man, a person, me, makiku me, me. If we say mimang, me, man, mang from mangpo, many, man is public, mimang, makiku me, a man or a person, me. Za, za kiku zi, za. This is cha, 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 and this one is za, za, za. Za kiku zi, za kiku zi, za, za kiku zi, za, 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 za. Zakiku zi. Zakiku zi, Zakiku zi, Zakiku zi. Zakiku zi. Wakiku, Wakiku wi. Sha, Lodon, Sha. Shakiku shi. Shakiku shi. Shakiku shi. Shakiku shi. Makiku mi. Shimi. A cat or cats. Shimi. 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 A cat or cats. Shimi. Sakikushi. Not sa. Sakikushi. Sakikushi. Hakiku yi. Hakiku yi. Yakiku yi. 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 Rakiku ri. Rakiku ri. Lakiku li. Lakiku li. Shakiku shi. Shi is a verb. It is a verb to die. To die. Shakiku shi. Shakiku shi. Sa. Sakiku si. Si. Sakiku si. Hakiku hi. Hakiku i. So you have to say this distinctly. Chi. 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 Ji. Ji. Zi. Zi. Shi. 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 Si. 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 He. He. Ye. He. Yeah, so English speaking students have to pay a little more attention with the letters in the first column and the difference between cha and tsa, cha and tsa, tsa, ja and za, za, sha, sha, sa, sa, a, ha. So this much for today. I introduced one of the 4 vowels. Tomorrow I will introduce the second vowel, and have a good day. See you tomorrow.